Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Banya Khun Pyrshah yaga Jingpang HIV lani AIDS. Kakanhuan Menteri Kalaminjuria Commission na kabentasan snem Banya Khun Pyrshah yaga ni ka Jingpang HIV. Kajingkio jong kibayo yaga ni ka Jingpang kapu Jingma Shibun bat panlong yaga Sorkar banshim yaga ni ka senjam Kumba kilale Banya Khun Pyrshah yaw Drok. Ka Sorkar Kalaminjur ban mangpisa Kumba arpusan klor tingka na kabenta kini kisan snem kibanwan. Shosho ulo ang basan klur man kasnem ke Sorkar kan mang pisa na kabenta kajing ai jingpet smutu bat banthaw ki jingte ringkat bat kiwei ki jing.com umendri rangba ulaya thu ba kajing kiu kibayo yagani ke jingpang hamegalia kalong hadu kata-kata ha kaba ki balarang ba kibadon yagani ke jingpang kidan kumba 0.09% kakamhe yaga national average kabadai 0.RE% Hakaba kumba kendai hajar sans pa san kundai kiba im paruni ujingpang ka jingdon kiba yo thamai kadai kumba kendai spa prapu arngut man kasnem ula benrap da kaba ong baka Sorkar ka Pyrshah ya kani kumba kale ya ka dream mission khnang ba kin la bantrai bat ban kinjo ya ka thong nada kam don kum kani ka mission kinom la banei ei bat kin ya kumba kalong henrei da ka ba Phai Khmat kin la bantrai stong
to have a mission mode program for the next 5 years for targeting and for reducing this entire alarming growth of HIV and AIDS in our society. We realize that the way we have formulated the DREAM project, which is a mission mode in terms of drugs, we realize that with the alarming rates and the increase of HIV and AIDS in our state, we need to come up with a mission mode program. So it's a 5-year mission mode program that has been approved by the cabinet today, having a rough estimate and budget allocation of 25 crores. That is about 5 crores per year will be given for this mission mode, where infrastructures, awareness campaigns and different activities will be conducted through this mission mode program. The growth rate is what was the aspect that we felt was quite alarming. Just mention to you that Meghalaya's HIV epidemic has intensified in recent years. The state's adult HIV prevalence is 0.43%, far exceeds the national average of 21.21%, with roughly 9,589 people living with HIV as of 2024. New infections remain high, approximately 982 cases annually. So that's the number. We won't know if we don't try. And it's the government's duty to ensure that there's a focused approach. The DREAM mission has had its impact in the sense that we've been very focused on what we're doing. There is a structured system to support different groups, different societies, localities who are actively involved in this. Earlier there was no program, there was hardly any financial support. Whatever a bit used to come from social welfare, some used to get, some never got. There was no plan to have rehabilitation or recovery centers in the districts. But based on this particular mission, we have come out with those numbers, and based on that, funds are being available, and now based on that, the rehabilitation centers are coming up. So this is a process that's happening. A mission mode program allows you to be focused. Mission mode program allows you to achieve certain goals in a specific time manner, and a mission mode program allows you to have the financial budgeting to be able to then achieve those goals. So this is the idea. Now if you don't have a mission mode program, as I said, then things will go on as they're going on, and we may sometimes succeed and we may not sometimes succeed. But as I said, it's our duty as a government to ensure that we give it our best. This mission mode program creation is in itself an indication that we're serious about this. We have budgeted 25 crores for this. We have a detailed program plan on how we're going to implement it. And today the cabinet has approved that plan. So that's the whole idea.